guys, Chad coming to you from Dairy Queen in New Hartford Road. It is Miracle Treat Day. This is really cool. $1 from every blizzard sold today is going to the Children's Miracle Network. I have with me, tell me your name. Tahita, by the way, when I was asking the staff who wanted to be in the video, everybody was like, oh, not me, not me. What were you doing?
Dancing over here.
So she's in the video. And who's this?
Crystal.
Crystal. Okay, so we're going to make my personal favorite blizzard. Sound like a plan?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, so my favorite blizzard, 2 ingredients. Come on in. I love Heath bars, yummy, and marshmallow.
Yummy.
Can you make that, Tahita?
Yes.
Dance it again. Okay, let's show us how to do it. Yeah, you gotta show us how to do it.
Okay. What size would you like, sir?
I'm gonna do a small.
Okay.
Small. I really want like a triple extra
Filling
large.
up with some ice cream.
Ice cream, here we go.
All right.
Come on, dance moves.
All
That's why you were
right.
hired, Tahita.
All right.
Look, there's Shree. She's going to be in the video. Look at her. There she is.
Said he the what?
That's Shree. She doesn't want to be in the video. Hey, Shree. Hey, hey.
Go put some Heath candy up in it.
Heath? Now, see, has anybody ever ordered Heath bars and marshmallows? The camera's that way, Princess.
Okay.
There you go. Anybody ever ordered Heath bars and marshmallow?
No.
No. Okay. But you guys are going to want to eat it afterwards because it's delicious. Now, does this sound good to you?
Yes, it sounds good to me. Now we're going to mix it.
Get the hips into it, Tahita. Oh, come on around so we can show them what the machine does.
Yeah, come on around so we can know what the machine does.
How good does that look?
How good.
Oh, now give it the blizzard test, Tahita. Come on. I don't work at Dairy Queen, and I know the blizzard test.
Upside down.
That is what I'm talking about, gang. Heath and Marshmallow right there. By the way, Tahita, how awesome was she? One more time for the camera. Get Crystal again. You want the first bite?
Watch the video.